how to enable or disable secure mode in ASUS notebook TP203. As you can see, if I show you here the model, this method will almost work with all ASUS laptops. So simply I will press power button and then keep pressing escape button. And then you will see enter setup, click on that, and here you will see lots of options, but you have to go to the right down corner, advanced mode, click on that, and then here you click on security, and in the security press the volume down button and you will see here secure boot. Just hit enter, and then here you can see if this is disabled, so you can enable or disable secure mode from here. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.